Alright, hey everyone. This is my final project for new media production. And what I did was I created an interactive quiz using Angular. And how I found it was I found a tutorial on lynda.com while looking around there. And it's this called Creating a Quiz with AngularJS. And it's basically just several videos tutorial here. It's actually pretty long, but it was really good. The guy is great, and he literally goes through line by line, showing you what to do and how everything works. So you really just can kind of follow along. It's a little tedious and it was pretty long, but it was easy to follow and to create. So I appreciated that. But anyway, this is it. It's a quiz on Batman. Big fan of Batman, so I figured it worked. And what we have here, we have obviously the header. We have the amount of questions. There's 5 questions, so we have 5 little dots right here. Here's the welcome page, and with an introduction kind of. And then we have the begin button. So we're going to click on that, and you'll see there's a little bit of animation there. The starting page moves away. The first question comes in, and also this is now selected, showing that this is the question that we're on. Here it says Batman first appeared in blank in Detective Comics 27, and we have the 4 options for years here. So yeah, we have all the answers right here, and you can see when I roll over them, the cursor shows up and they are highlighted. So we're going to click on one right here, and you'll see that one was wrong. When an answer is clicked on, it shows you if it's right or wrong. So we have the red box right here and an X, and then also at the same time it then will show you what the right answer is right here. And it also, we have a little bit of feedback, and it says oops, that's not correct. That also shows up. And also this remains filled in when the question's wrong, and a Batman icon will appear when the question's correct. So then we're going to continue on, and you see it moves away, and then the new question takes place. And this one is a image question, which I was able to upload into the file. And you see we're now on the second question. Which Batman villain first appeared in Batman #1? Well, we're going to select the Joker down here. Click on that, and you'll see that one was correct. So there's the check mark and the green box around, and also it then replaced the dot with a Batman logo, signifying a correct question. And right here it has a different animation saying you are correct, which is in green for correct. So then we can continue with the button, and again it moves away and the new question takes its place. We're now on the third question. It says blank was the second Robin that was killed in an explosion caused by the Joker. And we're going to go around here and we're going to select Jason Todd. You see that's correct. And the Batman icon appears. So we're just going to do that for the rest of them. For this one, I have a little bit more feedback about the actors who have played Batman. I wrote that down just for people to be able to learn a little bit about that. And we'll finish it off here. So that one was wrong. Then also it pops up with a results page. And it says the percentage that the user scored out of 5. And then it says 3 out of 5. And then we have the 2 links here. And then if you click on the email link, it'll if you have mail installed, it'll go to your help give you an email link. And then there's a Twitter link here, but I could never, unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work. It'll go to twitter.com, but it won't actually go to the full link. I couldn't figure that out based on the instructions I was given from the tutorial. It might be a little bit old, and Twitter might have changed their links, but this one unfortunately doesn't work. But everything else on the quiz works fine. We can reset it and it goes right back to here. So yeah, that's the actual quiz. And then there was a lot of lines of data on here. We used obviously the main index file, which had a lot, the main HTML file, and then the quiz with the CSS file and the JSON file, and or the JavaScript file, and then the JSON file actually stores the questions, which are all the same, pretty much, except for this image one, which has images instead. And then also it's formatted to, once it goes to a certain length, it shrinks and goes to kind of a more mobile, I guess, friendly thing. Obviously, it's a little bit hard to see with the picture because it shrunk too, but all of this is still about the same. It still comes in. These are reformatted and shrunk, so you can still select it. The answers still come on the little dots, and it still selects. The pictures have shrunk to then fit, but everything still works about the same as when it's fully extended, with it all being formatted and stuff. So that's my final website here. It's pretty cool, pretty simple, and yeah, I enjoyed making it.